We've got a lot of learning opportunities. We're going to hear from several scientists. This is an opportunity, I think, first to celebrate and acknowledge the extraordinary history of wilderness fire management.
What's limiting the cultivation of the talent pool?
Managing long duration fire is a tough deal, and it's complex. Us in the agency were like, well, why do we want to do this? You get a pat on the back when everything goes fine, but boy, when things go the other way, it's like, see you later. And I don't think everybody can do it.
We have a lot of vacancies, and we know part of our challenge is our agency process for hiring, but there also seems to be a component of, do we actually have the bodies of folks who are interested in that sort of hard work that want to fill those positions?
Like, you're away from your family all the time, and I think they just kind of feel undervalued. It's a really difficult job. The temps don't have health insurance during half the year, so they have a good job, they have health insurance for 6 months, and then the other half they're kind of left out in the dark.
You know, if Congress doesn't put a permanent pay fix in place by the end of September, there's going to be there's going to be a lot of firefighters walking out the door.
Selway Bitterroot Wilderness. It's a really amazing opportunity to see a landscape where fire really is functioning in the landscape.
It's like, yeah, it's creating nice heterogeneity of like lower density lodgepole, higher density lodgepole, some open areas. So having all these different fire histories is creating like a really nice mix of forest.
Bigger picture, looking back across the drainage, obviously those red trees across over there from last year's Cayuse fire. As you can see, it's still fairly open in a lot of there, but you do still have patches.
Like Gold Pan, the story I heard was that, you know, Dave Campbell came and flew it and looked at it, threw all the resources at it. Couldn't catch it, and then look at what Gold Pan's provided for a fuel break. What was a huge political fallout at the time. Some of it was the best thing that could have happened.
And I'm looking at these landscapes thinking like, when we talk about resilience a lot, it's patches, different ages, different kinds of species, different stand structure, likely to burn at different severities when we do get that inevitable next fire. So I just want to, huge shout out to all you guys who've been out here in the field. It's great for me to come and see like, wow, this is probably one of the most functioning landscapes in terms of how fire is operating a landscape, in the USA, definitely in the lower 48. So those are my closing words for y'all. But really, look, great work.